Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be doing a shadow fade. This is the type of haircut that in my opinion a beginner barber could easily do, though not to the level of the pros. Guys, this is the tool that I will be using for this haircut. When it comes to a shadow fade, I usually begin by opening up the lever, starting off around the lining up area, avoiding injury to my client. Guys, I will be taking this process all the way to the other side. Now I'm going in with the number 1 guard with the lever all the way closed. Here I'm making a full inch guard line. When it comes to the back around the occipital bone area, I'm going higher than 1 inch. Always brush out any loose hair to maintain a clean canvas. Now I go in with the 1.5 guard with the lever all the way closed. Because of this type of haircut, I will be stretching my guard around the parental bone area, making sure that this area connects seamlessly. Now, I will be fading down using my 1 guard with the lever all the way open. Then I will gradually adjust the lever for the best result. Here, the goal is to connect my initial guard line to my second guard line, which is the number 1 guard with the lever all the way closed, making sure that the 2 guard lines are connected seamlessly. Lastly is detailing. I usually come in with my clipper and comb techniques to bring the entire process together. Please, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button because it helps the video reach a wider audience.